The garden gazebo was sold at JC Penney in 2011. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number RN627-4020B. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 10 square and is two-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are L-shaped corner panels that make up the frame, corner plant shelves, vertical bars at bottom of each panel. Note: the 2011 and 2012 models look nearly identical but are different in size. The canopies are not interchangeable. Please check your receipt or assembly instructions to determine the correct model canopy to purchase. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the JC Penney garden gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.